Lesson number 2 about practicing WH questions. In English, today, we got what do plus a subject, or what did in the past plus subject. Let's get started with what do. Example, what do I? What do we? What do you? What do they? Now listen and practice. What do I need? I need your help. What do we need? We need your help. What do you need? You need my help. What do they need? They need her help. Now you see, what do plus I, we, you, and they. Let's go ahead with what does plus he, she, and it. What does he? What does she? What does it? Listen and practice also. What does he want? He wants to go. What does she want? She wants to go. What does it want? It wants to go. This is the present simple with what plus do or does. Now let's go to past simple. What did plus subject? For example, what did I? What did we? What did you? What did they? We go forward now, you remember. In the simple past all the subjects go with did. So, we say, what did he? What did she? What did it? What did plus all the subject, right? Okay, let's practice. What did I use? What did I use? What did I use? I used my phone. What did we use? We used our phones. What did you use? You used your phone. What did they use? They used their phones. What did he use? He used his phone. What did she use? She used her phone. What did it use? It used its phone. We don't use it anymore, but it follows the same role with he and she, therefore we take it. Let's practice all. What do you eat? What do you eat? I eat food. I eat food. What do you drink? I
I drink water. I drink water.
What does Emma want? What does Emma want?
She wants to know more about us. She wants to know more about us.
What does the cat drink? What does the cat drink?
The cat drinks water. The cat drinks water, or it drinks water. It drinks water.
What do your friends like? What do your friends like?
My friends like coffee with milk. My friends like coffee with milk.
What does Nick wear at school? What does Nick wear at school?
He wears his blouse at school. He wears his blouse at school.
What does Sarah use to write? What does Sarah use to write?
She uses her pen to write. She uses her pen to write.
What did we tell her yesterday? What did we tell her yesterday?
We told her our opinions. We told her our opinions.
What did she cook for lunch? What did she cook for lunch?
She cooked rice and fish. She cooked rice and fish.
Remember, the way we conjugate the verbs in present simple and in the past, by using what do plus are in the present simple, what do plus we, plus you, plus they, but, what does plus he, plus she, plus it, in the past all the subject to take the same word, we say what did, plus I, plus we, plus you, plus they, plus he, plus she, plus it. Thank you so much.